How to automatically list all of the Microsoft Word commands. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you wish to see all of the shortcut keys on your Microsoft Word and save it as a docs file, here is a tutorial for it. For this, first of all, open your Word. Once you open the MS Word, from the ribbon, tap on the View. Once you tap on View, you will see the option called Macros on the right side of the screen. Click on the drop-down menu and tap on View Macros. Once this is done, you will see a new interface. In the Merge in Content, tap in Word Documents, and in Macros name, type in List Commands. Once you select List Commands, click on Run button. This will tap on another interface, click on OK. After this, you will see all the list of the Microsoft Word's commands that you wish to see. You can save it on your device and use it whenever you like. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.